Okay, we should be good, should be live. Let me double check. Remove this guy for now so I can turn on the chat. Okay. Okay, sweet. I think everything is connected. Accidentally, I accidentally did not put this on public, so that didn't help. Here we go, live streaming. No, that's not it. Live chats. Okay. There we go. Yeah, so I didn't put it on public, which that's my mistake. So there we go. Cam. Okay. Sweet, sweet. Lock that in place there. And we're good. Okay. Hopefully everything is good. To be honest, I have no idea if it is. Oh, that is the wrong chat. I'm just realizing that right now. That's embarrassing. Okay, so this is the YouTube chat. Let me close this guy. Yep, that is the one. Okay, sweet. Put that in the corner. Sweet. Okay, that'll be good. Lock that in. Let me close out this old one and leave this one here. Okay, perfect. All right, good morning, everyone. Yo, what's up? Hey, Vince. Oh, this is a good little 5-minute demand here. So let's go ahead and actually, I think we got the tap on this one. Is that a blue candle body? It is a blue candle body, so we could use this guy. Yep. All right, let's see. Let's go ahead and participate here. Get it in. Okay. Sweet. So it's a bit of a late entry, but this is a 15-minute candle. That's fine, because on my Trade-of-8 here, I got my 5 pulled up, so it was a bullish holding candle. Oh no, that was a 15 push though. 15. We closed bullish there. See, that's when I'm not prepared, but it's okay. What I can do is just take it off at break even, if anything. I took one base hit right before, or right when I streamed, but because I had it on private, didn't capture it, but it's fine. So yeah, let's see this 15-minute candle. I want this to hold up more. Try to hold this trend. It already did take the 1 to 3 though. Yeah, I'm gonna take that off for. No, we'll just hold it. That's okay. It's just micros today, anyways. But anyways, so good morning, guys. Happy Thursday. Hope everyone's doing good. Sorry for the delay this morning. I kid you not, I had the stream on, but it was all on private. So Yeah, that was a mistake on my part, but all good. Everything is good now, I think. Still in this position, didn't exit yet. So we'll see what happens here. I mean, I didn't realize this was the 15, but even then, with a nice pullback and still closing bullish, I just want to see a little bit higher. So this is kind of a bigger one-to-one off of the, again, 15-minute time frame. Ultimately, don't know if we're going to get there immediately, and more so if this is a full pull through the 1 hour supply. So it's just something I wanted to be a part of. Um, yeah, that's about it. Especially because we have higher lows, higher highs, and we're holding those. So that's why I participated. Um, Nothing really anything special for it. So we were down around like 20 points of drawdown at one point here. But let's see. Let's see if we were up 13 points as well, but I didn't take it. Let's see if we can have some continuation here to continue higher. Okay, I like that. Still holding. 15 minutes still holding the trend. 15 minutes still holding that 15-minute previous demand and its previous highs. So let's just get a nice closure here in the next 5 minutes on the 5-minute frame. Continue to close bullish if you could, my friend. Okay, still holding bullish. Might have a little bit of a retest. That's totally fine. Let's see if you can break 60. Just have a nice push, even with a little pullback. That's fine. Let me go to the 1-minute frame on this one. Next liquidity is up here at 91. So good squeeze to 90 would be nice, or even 80. Yeah, I think I might see if we can get a squeeze to 80, get a reaction off 80, and then determine if we want to go for the 1 hour liquidity up there. Once we break this high, I would imagine we get a nice run all the way up. Or not all the way up, but a nice run into 80. Do we have anything else holding us down? Let me make sure I'm not tripping. Just a 1 hour coming up. Okay, there's a nice squeeze right through, right at 70. We haven't broken all the way through. Nice run all the way to 80 as anticipated. Ooh, literally by a tick. Okay, we're gonna move up to 90 now, and then I'm gonna probably let it run to 89. Sweep me, sweep me. Oh, you could sweep it. You're just a few points. Ooh, very, very close to 89. Very close to 89. You don't have to play games, my friend. It's okay. It's okay, just a little bit. There we go, beautiful. And I'm all out on that position. So, make sure. Really great price action today, if I'm being honest. I'm really liking how it was. I'm very glad I had my copier on. So, a little bit closer to getting these accounts passed day by day. But I like that. There's that sweep of the 1 hour liquidity. Honestly, this 1-to-1 on the 15 looks like it's starting to play out. I mean, we did have a nice hold on the trend line, and we had a nice hold above those previous highs. Or actually, we haven't held above it yet, but we did have a nice hold at least above trend line and the demand on the 15. So even with the late entry, with around 20-ish points of drawdown, was able to lock in pretty decent profits, at least a 1-to-1 from where I was. Where is my entry at? So entry was at 46.5. Not the best entry. Held it for almost 5 minutes. Went through that whole thing, and we locked out at 289. So let me pull that up on the screen if I can. Very happy with that. Very, very happy with that way to start the morning. I'm sorry, guys. I'm still working through the OBS stuff and like trying to get used to it. Okay, here is execution page. Or no, this is the... There we go. Okay. I hope you guys can see it. Let me know. But I forget how to turn on the thing on the trade. I've used Tradebait so many times and I forget about how to turn it on. No. Right here. Okay, okay, okay. So, face some heat. Definitely face some heat. So 46. I mean, we went down. Oh, actually went down like 30 points. But even then, like even with the late entry, was able to 30 points, and then it was a 43, 42 point winner. So a little more than a 1-to-1, which is my average. So that's perfect. I'm okay with that. And yeah, took it for the biscuit. Now, normally, I would want to go for this full like 1-to-1, and this is based off the 15. So with the 15, it's a little bit larger. It's also a 90 point move, and with price, like yes, like that's possible for it to do its thing. I'm sorry, not with price. With momentum and the volatility we're having, it's very possible to get up to the 90. However, because it's a 15-minute, it was before 7 o'clock. It was like 6. What time did it enter? 6:51. I just didn't feel the need to have to push for it. Like it's fine for me not to take the full thing because it's already a 1-to-1 anyways, with where I was comfortable with kind of taking off my trade if it didn't work out. And it's minis. So I'm like, okay, let me not. So it's gonna hit, I think it's gonna hit full TP at 302. You can hit it. You can hit it. You're right there. Oh, so close. A little bit squeeze. Okay, anyways, so yeah, quite frankly, you could hit the full, 1-to-1 with a late entry, with how big everything, like the movements are right now. I just didn't want to go through holding it all, especially because with my Apex accounts, it's intraday trailing. So if you guys aren't familiar with that, if it follows your unrealized profit, so if I'm in a trade and I'm in the green but I haven't closed out or anything, and it goes against me, like it, let's say price goes back to my entry, all those profits that I had made, it would still eat at my drawdown. So instead of putting myself in that predicament, take profit where I see profit. And this was a lot of profit. This was a good 40 something point winner, 42, 43 point winner. So I'm taking that. Cool. Okay, which one was it again? Nope, this one. Okay, nice. So yeah, there's that. What's this one? What is this? Oh yeah, so this was the little trade that it took right before I had mentioned that I went on stream, and then I had it on private so you guys couldn't see. But this was the first trade I also took. It was just a quick scalp, literally. A very, very quick one. 18 seconds, 10 points. Can't go wrong. So, yeah, it's going to hit TP right now. Full TP on the 5-minute, or the 15-minute 1-to-1, I think. It's just the satisfaction. If it hits it, it's just satisfying. That's all. But good trade. I'm happy with it. Let me take a screenshot. Didn't get the full TP, but that's fine. That would have been so satisfying if it did, though. 6:30. Why is my stop? Oh, yeah, right here. That's why. I was like, why is my stop all the way down here? Because of that. Yeah, dude, so close. So close. But, we took it for a smaller trade. So, it won't let me put it exactly where I want it. So, close enough. Right here. And then we took it off at the 980. Was 89? What was my exit? Yeah, 89. Oh, so close. There we go. Okay. So about a 1-to-1. Oh, come on, dude. Oh, there we go. 46.5. Okay, cool. Right here, right above this guy, we have the closure above. So a 1.118. I'll take it. 42. Is that the right? Nope. 89. Okay. 1.15. So I'll take it. That's off the 5 minute, and then on the 15 is that bigger one that I was putting on there. Let me mark it up again. Okay, perfect. Nice. Okay, let's see if we can get it, dude. Literally, it's... How high is this candle? 9975. TP's at 3. What is this TP at? 302? So like 1.25? 2.25? 1.25. So let's see if we could get up there. But nice. Okay, let's get to the chat now. This is the part where like my inner self needs to take a breather and not take extra trades on the account, because then I'm gonna want to trade more and more and like chase something here, especially because TP's right there. So yeah, I have to be very mindful that I don't just blindly enter because I want that full TP, and also because I already had a strong start to the morning. Like very, very close now to, I actually have these take profit accounts are, yeah, they're all passed now. So it's just a matter of, they can need one more or two more trading days, or one more. I think one more. I can't remember. I have to check my dashboard um, to convert them to become funded. And that's going to be exciting. So then we'll have to deal with intraday trailing drawdown on those accounts when it comes. So pretty exciting. Pretty cool morning. So yeah. Here, it's this one and this guy. Okay. So yeah, see, we had this. Okay, let me talk to myself for a second. First trade, took a long trade because once we started to have strong momentum push to the upside, targeting this little high right here, took that little scalp. We were starting to have that, we had a break of all liquidity, retest, came back up above candle body support, middle support. So boom, second trade, we had the retest. I was looking at the 15 though. I was not looking at the 1 minute. I was looking at the 15 and the 5 on my trade of 8 was the 5, 15 was on trading view. And we had on the 15, we had shown strength holding above trend line. We also had showed higher lows and higher highs, with our next quote-unquote level of resistance being this 1 hour coming up, unless I missed a potential demand of some sort. I mean, this is a little bit of resistance. You see all these candles. It's a little bit of resistance around here, but I digress. I don't think I missed anything on the higher time frame besides that. When I did my scan this morning, yeah, we have a 3 hour, but I mean, the 3 hour held clearly, but I didn't want to use that as a marker for myself. So besides the one, that's all that I was anticipating at the time. But we had the 1 hour liquidity as well marked up here, so it was a great exit. 90 rule as well, 90-60 rule. Clearly we have a huge rejection though, so don't know if we're really going to get that. But anyways, the reason behind it, higher lows, higher highs is what I was saying. And with the 5 minute also holding above trend, 15 minute holding trend, only real level of resistance I noticed at the time was up here. Wanted to follow trend and take part of it, which is what I did. So it all made sense to me. and why I entered. Okay. All right. Cool, cool, cool. So, I mean, great place to exit where I did. Clearly, price is completely like just rejecting from that new high. So let's see if price wants to continue to hold. If not, totally fine. We are out of that anyways. So yeah, let's go ahead and now take a look at live chat. See how y'all are doing. Happy Thursday, everybody. What's poppin'? Vince, what's up? Papa Bear. We have B Car Pits. The Iron Johnson. Hey, Iron Johnson, it's good to see you. Johnson has been in the YouTube fam for a long time, so I appreciate you for popping in. Uh, let's see. Appreciate you guys. Happy kids, 1081. Happy Thursday. Poppy new, Poppy new. MView. Hey, what's up, girl? Happy Thursday. It's good to see you. It's good to see you. The Swags family, sick name. I like that. I like that. Happy Thursday. Daniel, yes, the giveaway is going to be coming sometime in the stream. Gonna make sure I kind of like lock everything in place. Thanksgiving is around the corner, you guys. So next week, because Thursday, obviously the market is closed, I will not be streaming. Reminder, I will not be streaming next Thursday. I'll also make a post about it. I will be doing um, maybe something on Wednesday, and again, I'll make a whole post about it. But I do want to do a cute little giveaway to you guys also next week, probably Tuesday and Wednesday. Um, Tuesday on the stream, and then I'll probably do like an X community, like Twitter, an X thing, so everyone can take part in it. But yeah, I want to do a little giveaway for you guys next week, as well as today. So yeah. Swags fam, thank you so much. Yes, I did take my setup, bit of a late entry because of everything that I was doing at the time, but we were able to get in, so thank you. Oh, JSR, funding ticks changed. No way. I didn't know funding ticks changed the rules. Okay, we'll look at that together. Let me just catch up on chat and then I'll pull up the updates. Just ain't right. What's up, my friend? Good to see you, homie. Good to see you. Absolute Zero Trading. We love you. Thanks for joining. Happy Thursday. Dude, seriously, long time. Oh my goodness. Yeah, trading live now, officially. I've done lots of live streams in the past, but no official schedule. So now I'm doing an official schedule. So yeah, Tuesdays and Thursdays, except for next week. It's just going to be Tuesday and most likely Wednesday. But Wednesday's up in the air. I'm going to make a whole post about it if I can lock that in. Just depends because since it's the holiday, like I'm preparing for the holiday and for family to come down and stay at my place too. So yeah, just holidays are a crazy time. So, and then I'll have to make a whole schedule thing about Christmas. So we'll see. But anyways, yeah, thank you for coming in. Swags family, tops of removing activation fee. I did hear about that, which is really interesting because I'm intrigued honestly to know if they're planning to jack up their prices, to kind of compensate for removing the activation fee. Are they removing it so that it's like under regulation? Is that like a new regulation thing? Since you know how like Top Step is moving to whole brokerage and da da da. So I'm just wondering if it is a move to respect new regulation, that's a win because that means other platforms are going to remove activation fee. But again, like to kind of compensate and to kind of fix that balance of losing like cash from traders, right, from paying activation fees, does that mean their subscription price is going to go up? Like that's the main number one question I'm going to have in regards to that. So I did hear about it. Very interesting. Hey Kyle, what's up? Happy Thursday. Yes, good morning everybody. Okay, so I caught up on chat. How are you guys doing? How's your trading going today? I will say before we get into the updates on those rules, oh, how did I miss this? I'm sorry, Swags. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Relatable, totally relatable. I think it was either it was yesterday. It was yesterday. So yesterday, I had locked in some decent profits on my Lucid accounts, and then I kept trading. Like I got off for a moment, then I got back on because after I did some work, it's like, oh, you know what? Let me just check out the market. Long story short, did that, lost my profits, hit daily loss limit. So very relatable. Swag's family yesterday was very sad for me in that case. So I get you. Um, but the great thing is, hey, like, keep that consistency of showing up for yourself still with trading, and more opportunities going to come tomorrow or next week. There's always new opportunity, and you only stop trading when you want to stop trading in your journey. It's not like it's the end of the world. So it's going to be okay, Swags. I feel you. You're not alone, girl. Or I can't see your profile picture. You're not alone, my friend. Girl's also just a general term I use. But anyways, sorry about losing your account, but it's going to be okay. It's going to be okay. I promise you. Like yesterday, my DLL, today, made back all those losses. So, I mean, it might be down just slightly, but yeah, like, totally get you. How did I miss these messages? Did I? Wow, oh my god. Hey, what's up, Simo? Simo Show. Miss you too. Hope everything is well. Take it easy. Honor 236. First half of November, great. Found nice setups these past 2 weeks. Heck yeah, I'm very happy for you that you're able to lock in some nice setups. To be honest with you, I feel like there has been some decent price action. I did enjoy October's price action a lot more. I think the reason why I'm not feeling November is only because I'm tying my performance to the price action. And the performance wasn't even because price action. My performance has been more based off of my either impulse or lack of something, right? Like my areas of improvement. So if I look at price action itself, yeah, like it's pretty good. It's like not bad anyways. It's not the worst. Um, like what was it? I think was it August? That was I was or September. No, it was August. But if I'm looking at my performance, could be better. Could be better. Okay, sweet. Yeah, Spags, gotta get some accounts before prices go up. Seriously, I wish that they would give us a heads up. That would be so nice. That would be so nice. Oh man. All right. Cool. I think I'm caught up for right now. Okay, Edward is looking at the pricing that it's gonna go bear flag. Oh, okay. One moment, guys. Okay, cool. My OBS is on. This whole time I thought it was off. Okay, I'll be right back for just 1 minute. Bear with me for 1 minute. Okay, sorry about that, chat. All right, let me get back to what we were looking at. All right, a few more thingies here before I do the funding ticks update, because I do want to know about that myself. I think I saw an email from them this morning, but I didn't read through it. Where am I? Right here. Okay. Absolute zero. Trade's been good. Ticks and candlesticks are working well. It's just my P&L that is. You know what? Relatable. Relatable. I think that's relatable for all of us. You know what I mean? Like, shoot, I wish I had $1 million in payouts right now, but other than that, ticks and candlesticks are, they're moving. The ticks and the candlesticks are going up, they're going down, but my P&L is not going up fast enough. I feel that. So Edward had taken a short. Edward, what's your position looking like, my friend? Just out of curiosity, what are you searching for? Took a short somewhere around here, you said? Because this is where the move happened, or this is where you were calling shorts. So I'm interested, what would be your target and stuff like that? Or like, not even that. Is it mainly because you're trying to capture that bear flag and trying to take it lower? Is that why you entered? Honor, what's your plans for December? Do you think Black Friday can be interesting? That's a great question, Honor. I do truly hope that Black Friday sales can be good. Given that Apex is really, I think, one of their best sales. Oh no, I need to clear my throat. Let me mute myself. Sorry, I'm still trying to fight whatever little mini cold I have. But for Apex, I do know that right now the sale that they're having, it's quite literally like just, I think, one of the best sales that they've had of 2025. And quite frankly, it's because of the price, like all in. So their sale is ending this upcoming Monday on the 24th. I don't know if they're going to extend it. I don't know if they're going to do 80% or 90% off with a $40 lifetime fee. I have no idea. But I think it's a great sale that they have right now, even if they don't do Black Friday. If they do, I hope it's only better than what they're offering right now. So, yeah. And then I do know that for Lucid, they have their sale ending also next week. So I'm hoping like, hey, if they can have like a bigger sale than what they are currently holding to. But as far as like what's concrete and what's coming out there, no idea what they're gonna offer. I just hope it's gonna be either the same that they're what they're offering or better for some of the firms because I think the current sales they're offering are pretty solid. So yeah, and then as far as plans for December, I will be doing like half of December. I'll be away. I'll be at some family's house out east, which I've never been to the state before, and I'm excited, but I'm also a little nervous just given how it's gonna be really cold. And you guys know me. If you've been around on my channel long enough, you know that I love the sun, and that's why I love California because the weather is good, and that I'm a sensitive baby when it comes to weather because for me, like anything below like 67 or 68 starts to get cold. So that's why I have a jacket on. I have my little mini heater right here. So, yeah, so I'm excited, a little nervous, but all good things, of course. So, yeah, for half December, I'll be gone. I'm not sure how my streaming schedule is going to look like because of those travel plans, but we'll see. And I'll keep you guys posted. Still gonna do my best to like post content. Probably gonna like record content prior to leaving and then have it prepared for December. And then of course, as always, do some giveaways because Christmas I wanna again like give back during the holidays. So yeah, and then the final piece or one of my hopeful parts of December is make time to give back to um, like to give out food basically. So that's one of my big projects I want to do is to give back food to like people in my community, like those without homes and whatnot. So yeah, gonna have to figure out the logistics behind that, especially because I'll be gone for half of the month, and obviously I would have loved to have done it during Christmas. So we'll have to see. But yeah, looking to do something like that. So excited. All right, so I'm gonna take a quick pause there on the live chat movement because I do want to go ahead and look up about funding ticks. So bear with me. Let me pull up live chat and look it up here. Funding ticks. Oh, right here. pop it out into a new window. Okay, so the bulls are coming back into play here. We do have a 5-minute demand that was being placed. Or, I'm sorry, that was placed. So I'm not in that trade right now because clearly I'm trying to get this all figured out. Let me bring this up a little off my face. There we go. Lock that in. New screen. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Sorry, guys. As you can see, trying to figure out all of this. Window capture. Funding ticks. Okay, cool. Wow, so that long did come into play here. Let's see how we react here at this candle body. Let me throw this up on the screen. There we go. Sweet. Hopefully you guys can see that okay. Yeah, everything's been locked in place. I don't know why my OBS shows that everything's moving around. Okay, cool. So, yeah, my live chat. Why is everything moving so weird? Okay, so that's an interesting reaction here. I want to see if we could have how we react. Like if we can still close pretty decently, pushing through to get that final TP up here. But we did have a lower low created on the 5. And this is a new 5 that just opened. So we had a strong wick to the downside on the first minute. And I just want to see how we react. If I am going to potentially take any more trades here. Let me change to maybe individual. I don't know if I should do individual trading instead, because I don't want to risk my accounts. Sorry guys, just let me log out of here. I don't need to do yeah, I personally think we might be able to go for that 15-minute 1-to-1. I'm just trying to get logged into my other account right now. Really quick here. Yeah, because the entry would quite literally be right around here. But I wouldn't want to go for that full thing anyways. Like this full move. It would only be just a little bit of the move. Which I am liking this reaction so far, like we're holding. Let's see us break this previous high around 60 and get a nice closure above 60. That'd be kind of nice, right? Otherwise, I'm straight. Oops. Oops. Okay. No strong closure yet off of this. Okay, still got 2 minutes, so yeah, just gonna watch that, and then we're gonna read the funding ticks while we're watching this. So, yeah, all right. So funding ticks sent out an email 2 hours ago saying product update, blah blah blah. Starting Monday the 24th, so this upcoming Monday. Okay, so Nice, 20. Oh, okay, nice. Price is still kind of pushing around this area. All right, anyways. Introducing the 150K model. Allow automated trading. Crypto payments would be available. Removal of subscriptions. That's kind of huge, right? Oh, wait, that means it's only 30 days of trading. And that's it. Okay. That means only 30 days of trading. So that means the following month it won't get rebilled, right? Does that mean, I don't know if it's going to cover it, but I guess the main question is like, are we going to have only 30 full days and then the eval cancels after that? Or do you get to keep on trading up until like you pass it and not have to pay any more monthly fees? Okay, so that's a nice push over this 60. We are continuing to take like those previous highs on the 1 minute. Kind of like that, honestly. That was already a 10-point move off of the 50 close or open. I'm sorry, the 50 open. That was a nice 10, 16 points off that 50 open. I haven't entered yet because I want to see if we're going to close bullish first. Like, I'm okay if I get in slightly after wherever you close, if it's as long as it's a bullish candle, but it has to be worth it too because of where previous 5:50 a.m. high was. So there is that bullish close. Going to be interesting to see here. Let's try to see if we could get 10 points off of that. 58, so 68. Oh, missed me by literally by a tick. Okay, gonna take it off for 10 points probably here. If I move up, there's so 75 is the actual candle body. Yeah, so we'll do it. Do it for, there we go. Okay, cool. All right, sweet. So it's going for that 10 points. Nice. And now back to the chat. Obviously, like I said, it can go all the way up to the 302 if it wants to, but I took it for a quick little 10 points because I need to I want to focus on reading what this new update is instead of me getting sucked into the price action. But nice little 10 pointer off of that little open of the candle. Quick scalp, nothing crazy. 10 points. Oh my god, let me just turn this thing off. So it was the 58. It was this one. Perfect. 1-to-1. So, nice little 10 pointer. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy at all. Oh, this is not 10 points. Sorry. That's 10 points. Where did I enter? Right above the open of it. Yeah. So 6. Where is this thing? 6, 2. Oh. 10 points and 10 points. Yep. So 75, so 6, 8, and then 7, 5 was a candle body. Yeah, there's 7, 5. Okay, cool. So clearly longs are in favor still. I would still like to imagine we have a full sweep of this 302, honestly, guys. Especially because IBH was just created. This is IBH at 7. A retest of IBH and a sweep of IBH looks like it's in the cards. Could be wrong, right? But that's only if we have a strong closure above. Otherwise, using this 5-minute supply here, the fib of it, if I want price to go lower, I'd want to see a nice rejection off of the 618 level or up to the 382 level. Between these levels, I want a strong rejection and a bearish close off of it if I would want to see rejection lower. But right now, we're having like pretty strong buyers stepping in. So let's see what happens in this next moment. Make this smaller. Bring this in. Oh my gosh, I keep doing this to myself. 6, 3. Okay. So yeah, but I think I'm pretty set on my accounts. For my lucid ones, oh shoot, I had my copier on the whole time. I'll take that. That's a dub for me then. I will take that gladly. Let me turn off because my take profit I made that 10 points, which I didn't need. So cool, whatever. So my Apex accounts are very close to passing. They're so close to passing now. And then the lucid ones made by my loss from yesterday. So cool. Okay, let me make sure that this is completely disabled. Off, off, off. Okay, good. Those are off. Okay, perfect. Back to, what is it called? Back to the email. All right. So great updates. These 4 updates. I just want to know more about this in particular. So the new updates taking place on Monday. So your past accounts won't be affected, and new changes are only for new purchases. So here's the updates. So reward split is now 80% instead of 90-10. Pro Plus account, you can request 50% of your profit after 5 trading days. There is a price increase on all the accounts. For the Pro Plus, it will be 2 tradable contracts only for the 50K account on the 1K cap. Okay, so existing and the new accounts, 2 tradable contracts only. Interesting. Very interesting. Oops, didn't mean to click on it. Remember, they listen. So in the live model, the profit split will be 90. Multiple live accounts per user, no daily loss limit, no ban after live failure. You may now immediately enter back into the Pro and Zero program. Lowest profit targets, no activation fees, weekly rewards, zero reward, denial policy, and track record. Interesting. All right, guys. Well, there you go. There you have it. There's all the new updates with funding ticks. Crazy, crazy. Very interesting stuff. How do you guys feel about it? Are we vibing with this new change here? Okay. Okay, let me close this out. Sorry, guys. Just closing everything out real quick. Why is it still showing that it's on there when I don't have it? Okay, cool, cool, cool. Okay, so there it goes. There's that full TP of the 15, 1-to-1. I'm sorry for the people that took shorts. Recently, we had a strong bullish day. Trend line holding, higher lows, higher highs. Only resistance I see again is this 1 hour coming up here. But we had a full sweep of the TP, and of course, a part of me always wishes that I was able to take the full thing, but being a scalper and being just an intraday trader, like, gotta always be happy with the profits that you are able to secure, and like I think the performance you secure is more important. But also more important than that is the intraday trailing drawdown with Apex. So, not trying to risk my accounts to go through the swing of emotions like this bipolar NQ right here this morning right here. But hey, I mean, I think it was a great overall trading day, just being able to read price. And even with a little bit of my first trade being a later entry, still being able to execute, lock that in. Second trade, even the first trade was before stream. So quick momentum scalp play, 18 seconds. Can't really say much about that. The first trade on stream, that's when I was talking about, where happy with how that ended up being, even with being slightly late into my entry. And then third trade being that quick little 10-point scalp as well, because with Apex, got to take those base hits. I don't think it's necessary to get the whole piece of the pie, even though clearly I could have got the whole piece of the pie. And then yeah, that's it. Okay, cool. I think I caught up on what I wanted to say there. So yeah, just gotta keep trying to learn, and do better. So let me turn this back on. Let me see if I can try to put both on the screen here. Bear with me, you guys, okay? Bear with me. Yeah, okay. Let me just throw myself in the corner instead. Because I don't think it matters about how I look. What matters is if you guys can see everything. Cool. Right? That's kind of cute. That's okay. I think that's a decent little setup I got going on over here. Nice. Okay. Whew. Let's get to live chat. Hey, Jim Jax. Happy Thursday, my friend. It's so good to see you. Jim Jax is in the building, you guys. All W's for Jim Jax. Jim, I hope you are killing it today. Hope all the profits go to you. The Swags family, how long have they been in business? They've been in business so they've been like low key for a couple of months, and they were working on a lot of like developments and innovations that they weren't being super public about. And then when the bigger influencers, in my opinion, started to really step in, that's when they started to blow up. So as far as how long they've been in business, I actually don't have the number. We could Google it together actually, but I actually have no idea. But it has to be a few months, because I've seen them on my Twitter page quite some time, and one of the guys that is working on everything there, I had been following him before I even knew that he was part of Funding Ticks. This was when I think he was more active with like posting about trading stuff, like more of his own trading stuff. And then he started working with, I think it might be wrong, maybe the Forex side of Funding Ticks, but again, don't quote me. So they've been around for at least 3 months, at least. I'll say that, minimum 3 months, at least. But it's been longer than that for sure. MView, I had a daily rejection at 3 to 400. Missed the short because I was too busy TikToking lunch. I'm dead. I love that for you. The TikToking lunch ideas is so relatable. Tammy, dude, yesterday, so I made hot pot for dinner, right? And I went to the Asian store a while ago, and I bought this hot pot box where it comes with the pot and then the soup bases, right? And then like different little dipping sauces that you can mix together if you want. But yesterday, I was also trying to find like a different soup base to do instead of just the options he gave me. So, sorry, I told you guys I'm like fighting something, so my throat is hurting a little bit. But I ended up TikToking also like soup bases with chicken broth to help with my throat. And I was just like freaking doom scrolling right after that. And then last night I was just doom scrolling, looking at different like recipes to make food, and I was doom scrolling about it's just stupid things. So relatable. I think all of us can relate about TikToking like ideas for doing something, like date ideas, lunch ideas, recipes, places to go in your city. Like, totally get it. Excuse me. Nice, JSRR. I think I saw your message come in about taking along around here. So I hope JS, you were able to capitalize and really get some good profits on that one. I think the next level of rejection will just be right up here at the 1 hour, which we're coming close into. This is the first ever time we're pushing it into the 1 hour as well. So this is now becoming support. Gonna lower that down. So here we are. Let's see how we react as we push into the 1 hour support. I'm not sure if I'm going to take any more trades. I'm not sure. Just because right now I want to honestly talk to you guys too in the chat. But I would want, personally, if I was trying to get into any positions based on my supply and demand playbook, I first want to see the reaction going into the 1 hour since it's our first tap. We could have an immediate rejection, right? We could just bust right through it with a key level right here too. So I'd want to see some type of supply and lower high or lower low created in this area if I'm looking for shorts. And then obviously looking for longs, I just want to see more continuation, a demand, push off demand, kind of just that kind of thing. So yeah, that's where my head is at. So just I want to see a reaction around here and see how price moves within it before or if I were to take any more positions. Oh my gosh, Absolute Zero Trading. Dude, this is TX with the new alter ego. Dude, tell me why I thought that your name, that's why when I first read it, I was really excited because I thought you were a previous subscriber that used to comment a lot on the videos as well. I think zero, because the word zero, I think was in their name before, like zero something, like it was a name, like a word and then zero and then like a number or a name. So I'm like, oh my god, it's been a long time. Clearly, I am wrong. Clearly. So, dude, TX, what's up, my friend? What the heck? Are you still in the stream? Please tell me you're still in the stream. We need to catch up, dude. We need to catch up. Guys, so TX has been here since the jump. I kid you not. TX has been here since when I first got into content creation and when I first started with Lilu, like a long time ago, when I was more just cringe in my opinion. And there's been there's never really been a moment where TX was not on my socials. So the fact that I get to see you again, TX, makes me so freaking happy. This is a good day. I don't care about the profits I made. I don't care about passing my accounts. I don't care about performing well. What I care about is the fact that TX is here. Straight up. I'm so happy right now. Are you freaking kidding me, TX? How are you? And why the new alter ego? What's going on? What is this? Are we trying to run away from an ex? Are we trying to hide from a prop firm? What's happening here? What's going on? Swags fam. Moved to Uganda. Tropical here. Oh, wow, Uganda, you're so far away from me. How do you like living over there? Besides great weather, I mean tropical vibes. Love that. Jim Jacks coming to Switzerland. I'm dead. Jim Jacks, you want me to visit you all the time. It's too expensive to fly though. I gotta save some more money. I need more money. No money left. It's what the heck? Crazy, dude. Everyone's like we're global. We're worldwide at this point. It's so cool. Hey, what's up, Tom? Happy Thursday. No, for real. Trying to run away from the cold and he's having me go to Switzerland where it snows. It's crazy work. Kaya, I thought longs would be stronger, but since overnight they got a good move, that's why shorts stepped in strong. That's a good analysis. I actually didn't even look at overnight at all. All I looked at was do we have any levels? So today's the 20th, 19th, right here. Oh yeah, strong move here. So 7 a.m., 12, 1, 3, 3, right here. Oh yeah, nice. Literally, we jammed up into that previous 1 hour supply that was here, retested that break. We're pushing higher. Where else we at? Snowball battles. I'm dead. We could do snowball battles with Club Penguin. Dude, everyone, our chat, we should all connect on Club Penguin and just freaking play Club Penguin games. Please tell me you guys know what I'm talking about. Am I that old where people don't know about it, or am I that young where people don't know about it? Like, let me know what's going on here. What's the vibe? Hey, JSR, thanks for becoming a member. I need to do something more special with members. I think maybe with members, I might have to do like like special giveaways there or something because people just join for fun in the membership group. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. It's literally just there, just to be there. I don't promote it at all. So, thank you, appreciate you. Um, I Reyes. Oh, you're not a fan of today's price action. Are you more of a like a range bound type of trader where you like it like a tight consolidated area, or do you prefer like straight clear trending days, or what's your vibe? Fasal is saying it's gonna go down for sure. Interesting. Um, that was after like that was during this point, so hopefully you're able to lock in profits if you did take any shorts. Yeah. Yeah, the updates on like the actual split and the 50K 1K cap, definitely I could see that being not the most funnest favorable change that traders are wanting to take part of, for sure. So I get where you guys are coming from with that. I was actually just about to get some accounts too, so I might have to just lock those in before the changes on Monday, to be honest. So at least you guys have a few days to lock in accounts with funding ticks if you haven't already, um, because new accounts moving forward outside of the 50K 1K cap payout cap, those ones are locked in at the previous changes. So I guess now's the best time to do it if you haven't gotten any accounts. Um, Honor, you think they're doing it like the futures desk? To be fair, like I've only heard really great things about TFD that gets me more and more inclined to want to trade with them. But I think I'll have to consider that in 2026 instead, just because right now I really want to lock in with Apex. Given the sale, like I just really want to lock in with Apex. And also lock in, of course, with all the other firms I'm already with, but it's just a matter of just being like financially smart and prop firm smart and trader smart. I don't want to put myself through any more cycles. So yeah, just trying to be smarter about what I'm doing. Let's see. Simo, any offer in core content. If you're talking about my funded futures core accounts, I am under works with trying to do a fun giveaway for you guys actually with the core accounts or just in general with my funded futures. You guys know I love them. I mean, you guys see my cute little sign. But yeah, I am under works with them right now to get that sorted, and hopefully I'm able to get something going, especially with the holidays coming up. And um, I am planning to purchase some accounts to give away as well during this time. So yeah, either I'm gonna get buy accounts myself or I might do cash prizes during the holidays. So again, like it's not anything I have concrete. It's just all concepts in my head. And in which last year I also did giveaways and I did cash prizes too. Nick's one of my fellow ex traders. He's pretty cool. He We did a collab last year, if you guys remember, just for fun, randomly on a stream. Like he just popped in and we were just bouncing off of each other, doing giveaway accounts or cash for accounts. So I think we're looking to do that again this year. I'm not sure if we're gonna actually plan it in advance or it's gonna be random. We'll see, but I would prefer to plan it with him, just so that it's a little bit more organized. Because last time was a little chaotic. So yeah. So as far as like any offers in core account or core content when if you're thinking about like giveaways, yes, like there's giveaways to come for sure. And if you mean like discounts on the core account, I don't think there is a current discount on the cores, but they do have the add-ons. So no discounts, but there is like the quote unquote offer of the add-ons for it, the free add-ons. No, I get you, Swags. Yeah, like Apex has their strict set of rules to abide by, right? Um, Similar to like how some other firms have their own rules. The thing about Apex though is like the ability to scale and having that potential like larger payout if everything you go according to plan to your system. And I will say, like I had spoken to my, excuse me, sorry. I had a meeting with them, basically. I had a meeting with Apex recently, and he had mentioned some really, really good things that were to come with Apex. I don't know I don't know when it's coming. I don't know if it's for sure coming, but he had spoken with like confidence that these things were going to be coming, and I'm excited for it. So if good things do come from Apex from what he said, then I feel like we'll have some a nice shift, I think, in this space for like what people might be looking for and like wanting. So I'm looking forward to that myself. So we'll see what happens. Who knows, might be able to change your mind, Swag's family, about joining Apex at that time too. So we'll see. So price is already rejecting prior to even tapping into the 1 hour supply. We're already back at the trend right here. And then most importantly, we if I was still in this position, like the full TP would have already been hit anyways. So yeah. All right, Fasal. Fasal is in shorts. I don't know if Fasal was in shorts here or in here, but regardless, hey Fasal, if you're still in your short, congrats, my friend. I know earlier you're trying to enter shorts around here, so that was probably not fun dealing with all this drawdown if you were in all of this drawdown. But if you are in shorts still now, it is obviously paying off at this point. So I hope you're able to lock in some good profits there, my friend. SMA. I'm going to be hitting 3 years on the 28th of this month. Crazy, right? Crazy. Oh my gosh. I'm blown away. Even I'm blown away. 3 years is crazy. I feel old. Like, I genuinely feel old now. I did legs yesterday, and my lower back is low key killing me. But a part of it's because I'm sore from doing the lower back extension, but also from RDLs, also from just, I think from sitting, just all the things. I'm just getting old. And then my knees, they hurt a little bit. Well, actually, more of my ankles. My ankles hurt more than my knees, to be honest. But that's because I did volleyball when I was younger. So, like, I had sprained my ankles so many times. It's not even a joke. Okay. Swags fam, the trade copier I am using right now is it's called Trade Copia. Copia. So it's Copia, Trade Copia, however you want to pronounce it. But yeah, that's the one that I'm using right now. So it's a application you have to actually download onto your laptop. I know that there's a lot of cloud-based copiers out there, and I think it was TradeSyncer where it was impacted by the Cloudflare, what like the last 2 days, or at least like 2 days ago or something, based on what I saw on social media. So yeah, I think that's why it's nice having the like downloaded application, not based off of, or not cloud based. So it's been pretty solid so far. I've had no issues with it personally. I'm not currently a partner with them. Um, I'm doing a whole trial run with them for this month, and yeah, I think I have like one more week. Oh, I got a cough. Oh no. Oh my gosh. It was not even muted the whole time. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry, chat. You guys had to hear that. Let me mute it now. That's embarrassing. I literally thought I clicked the mute button. I even looked at the OBS. Crazy. Thankfully, it wasn't too loud of a cough, I hope. But my mic picks up on everything. So, I'm so sorry, guys. I need to fight whatever I have. Seriously. Okay, I don't know my OBS. It's like moving in and out. I just saw that. It picked up on the weirdest thing. I don't know. But, anyways, back to the chat. I kind of lost where I was. But, yeah, okay, here we go. Hey, what's up, Vijay? Oh my gosh, happy to see you. Happy Thursday. What's up, Treese? What's up, Treese? What's up, Tris? Tris. Tries? Tries. I'm not sure. But, welcome in. Happy Thursday, guys. Oh, James, you're so sweet. Thank you so much for the dono there. Appreciate you. I'm dead. You guys know about H Mart? Hold up. Am I tripping? Is this like a worldwide thing? What's going on? Or is it a California thing? Yeah, I love H Mart. Freaking love H Mart. I shop there so much. I'm not even kidding. Excuse me. Oh my god, my freaking throat is like not it today. I think I need to make some tea after this or get some cough drops. But yeah, no, Sion, your name sounds like, unless your username is just like random, but are you Korean? I'm gonna ask. You're Asian, right? You gotta be Asian. The last name is like Sion. Sion? I don't even know if I'm pronouncing it right. But anyways, yes, I am talking about the Heidi Lao hot pot from H Mart, dude. It's pretty solid. I did the spicy one, and it was good, but to be honest, for one person, that spicy soup base is a lot, and more importantly, like it's pretty spicy. Like I like spicy food, but I put all so right, you put all your food into the hot pot and then you take it out. Dude, I had chili just covered all over my food, and it genuinely got to a point where I just couldn't enjoy it anymore. I just could not. And I love spicy food. I love spicy food. If I have the chance to put spice on my food, I do. But yeah, it got me. So using the chicken broth that I made separately, like on the other half of the pot, and I mixed it in with the spicy. It was good. It was good. It was bearable. It was like I had like chicken broth with like some ginger in it, some seasonings, obviously. Uh, what else did I put? Green onion, um, whatever other stuff. But it was good. It was good. Like I can't complain now. But just that spicy soup base alone with all the chilies covered in it, it was intense. Like it was intense. James can't get sick making money off NQ. No, for real. I can't get sick. We cannot, none of us can get sick. We gotta lock in. Dom, why don't you stream every day? Every weekday? That's a great question. So, for me personally, I want to see if this is even helpful. Um, I'm the type of person in trading, especially, where I want to make sure that what I'm doing makes sense. So I want to have some conviction behind what I'm doing, something to back it up to make it make sense. I wish I was a little bit more adamant about this when it came to my strategy in the beginning, but I was strategy hopping a lot in the beginning, but I digress. So at least when it comes to live streaming, I want to see if it's beneficial. Because if it's not beneficial for me in my journey, then I don't think it's worth it to add the extra stress, to add the extra pressure, to add the extra anxiety, to add the extra potential hate or like judgment I'll get for it. Um, it's something I have to gather enough conviction for. So that's why I don't want to stream every single day. Another thing as well is I'm starting off with 2 days. In the month of December, I'm considering to do 3 days if it, like I said, makes sense. It's kind of like a trial run, just like I'm doing this trial run on the third party copier, just like I do trial runs with prop firms for myself, and also I do trial runs with prop firms before I become a partner with them or decide to partner with them. So yeah, I'd like to make sure that before I put my eggs into a basket that it makes sense for me. I've streamed before, and during those times, and I've spoken very loudly about this, that during those streams I have felt like the stress, the pressure, the anxiety, and it has 100% impacted the way that I've traded. I've had like a mini crash out on stream before too. Some people were here to experience that. And it wasn't like a crash out like I'm like uttering a bunch of curse words and stuff. It was a crash out where I just couldn't like get a grasp, and I just kept questioning myself and starting to build doubt. And I don't want to have that kind of crash out. Um, I want the streaming here to be a way to obviously document the journey, right? That's the first and foremost thing. That's why I post content, is to document it. And then the second thing is to see, or to hold accountability for myself. So with this live streaming thing, like hold accountability that I'm documenting, hold accountability that I'm following my plan, hold accountability that I am actually charting, and also I am doing my best to like forward tape read and doing the things that I should be doing. So, yeah, I hope that provides some insight behind why I'm not trading every single day. Maybe in due time, like I said, if it all makes sense, I'll do it. But for right now, I would just want to start with 2 days and then ease my way in to maybe three, and then see if it's worth it to do four. Um, so, yeah. I had hot pot the other night too. But as a 36-year-old woman, I called my mom for the broth recipe. I love that, M. You see what I'm saying? Like, you just gotta do what you gotta do, whether it's TikTok or ask your family for the right recipes to have. You gotta do it. Oh my gosh, how was your hot pot? Was it good? Can you share that broth recipe? Like, I'm so interested to try it out myself because I love hot pot, and it's cold weather. Hello, like this is perfect. Dude, we should have a hot pot YouTube stream, ASMR eating stream. Are you for real? That would be so sick, right? Hey, what's up, Kirk? Happy Thursday. It's good to see you. Kirk Townsend in the building. Oh, wow, Swags, you're from Texas? Crazy. I was just there in the beginning of November. It was it hot? Yeah, it was hot. It was pretty warm when I went, but it was good. Like, it was a good warm. Actually, no, it was a mix. I had a sweater with me, so it was really cold at night. So I see the bipolar part, but it was warm for sure during the day. But wow, how long have you been living down in Uganda? And Club Penguin, it's a online video game where you quite literally get to name your penguin, and um, you get to just play as a penguin. And there's different games you can play. Like there's Moncala, there's a sled racing game. You can build igloos. Let me mute myself for I got a cough again. Okay, I'm back. You can throw snowballs. You can do all the things. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Oh, TX. I enjoy following your journey as well. I'm sure your ups and downs resonate with many of us, especially those who started trading props in 2022. Ah, yeah, I appreciate you for being, guys. Again, TX has been here since the jump, for real. But I appreciate you for being with me since 2023 when I first started posting content, and being able to like make that statement. It's nice because we know trading's a lonely thing. We know that it can get very dark very easily, and it can be very mentally challenging. So I really appreciate you for saying that, and especially for those that had started trading props too in 2022. Props are such a different game. Like when props were first coming out into this space, and then now where they are today is crazy. The night and day difference is crazy. To the point where props is like the new thing in my opinion for like the next generation of traders. I don't like the next wave of traders, if you will. And it's pretty interesting how props were bashed a lot before, but now I like to think that people are really accepting it for what it is. I mean, it's opportunity to make money. It's opportunity for individuals to change their lives. It's opportunity to trade for a lower cost. Like no matter if it's a sim account and you're in sim environment with your sim funded accounts, regardless, like it's still an opportunity for people around the world to enter at a more affordable entry and to have the possibility to change their life on a great return on investment, or like the risk to reward on prop firms is insane. So I like it doesn't matter if it's sim, like people are changing their lives with it. So yeah, literally. Excuse me. um but yeah, TX, I'm really happy that you're back. I'm so happy to see you again. Literally, just really warms my heart. AS, upon a short, if NQ candle on the 15 closes below 25.18. Also, what's up, AS? Good to see you, my friend. 1.8. Yeah, it did close below 1.8. Let's go. Let's see what happens. That is a lower high on the 15, so I could see why you would want to enter below there, and a break of the trend. So, yeah, that's solid. Dude, if you're still in this right now, AS, I like that for you. We are finally getting that clear rejection. Like after we broke through the entire 1 hour supply, we're finally getting the move down. And someone had, I forgot the name, but someone in the chat had mentioned that because overnight we already had that straight shoot up, imagining for shorts, and it's clearly playing off now. So let's see if where we get the pullback. If we can get the sweep here of the overnight at 210, 205. So you can get the sweep here. We also have the sweep here around 3 a.m. So let's see. Let us see if we can get it. Why is my OBS like moving in and out? I don't like how it does that. Okay, oh my god, that is my stomach. Did you guys hear that? I'm hungry now. I didn't feel hungry this whole morning and now I feel hungry. Okay, oh, just saw RVI's trade. Just mentioned. In from 266, close 180 handles. Dude, let's go. Congrats on that huge win. Let's freaking go. That's 200 or 180 points. Oh, congrats, my friend. Talk about passing all your evals and making a crap ton of cash on your what is it called? On your funded or your personal life, on whatever account you have. That's freaking sick. I like that. I like that. Ginger tea. Yeah, I need to drink ginger tea for real. I have a turmeric ginger tea in my thing. I also have the throat coat one from like Vaughn's or something. I have to drink some for sure after. And yes, I did see an email come in from CHA. See, I have to check my email again. But I did see an email come in about a Pine script and like breaking it down. Thank you so much. I saw it this morning. That's when I also saw the Funding Ticks email. So I appreciate you. I will have to take a more like deep dive into what you were explaining there. But I do appreciate you. I've lost where I'm at, to be honest. Okay, let me just make the live chat bigger because I'm looking at my OBS and like it keeps freaking spamming in and out. So let me just move this. I don't know why it's doing that. Genuinely. So we'll just do that instead. I think that's better. Excuse me. Making sure everything's off. Yeah, everything's good. Everything's off. I like that. Okay. Sorry guys, just making sure everything is, excuse me. Wow, could have passed all my evals today if I just traded, but even if I wanted to take a trade, there was no setup for me as far as like my specific supply and demand. If I did support and resistance, there's clearly something that could have been done here, right here. This is where the interests of my trade would have been. Closure below this, stop above here, 1-to-1. That's for a support and resistance trade. That's something I would have done. Not, I wouldn't have taken it where it's the retest of it. Obviously, you can do a break and retest. Give me the 1-to-1. But for, actually, no, 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 no. That's that's a lie. It would be, wait, no, no, no. It is this one because these are like that. So yeah, I need a nice strong close below, which is what it did. So either enter at the close or like somewhere up here. But yeah, I mean, I had it where I had it for a reason. I don't know, just here. Then this. This is me just like talking through potential ideas if I had traded, but this is all I like hindsight at this point. It's all hindsight. Yeah, break, no real retest here. Break, retested. Targeting these lows. Probably target this low first and then this low next. Just because of liquidity, yeah. So, anyways, yeah, now I'd want to see some type of reaction here, around here, here. Want to see a reaction. Otherwise, a good strong rejection lower because this was a breakthrough the 1 hour supply, a lot of orders sitting there. So yeah, crazy. Look at that rejection. Insanity, dude. Congrats to anyone that took it. Crazy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Insane. Okay, well, anyways. Anyways. Okay, hopefully my thing stops spazzing. Um, I don't remember where I was, but I think I said RVI last, right? Somewhere here, I think. But oh wow, Uganda 2023. So it's going to be 3 years. That's crazy how time has flown. First of all, and then second of all, it feels so recent. That's so cool. Is there a reason why you picked that location to move to? Ooh, Mvu fam owns a pho restaurant. Chicken broth is pretty simple. Chicken bouillon, powder, fish sauce, and lots of black pepper. Okay, for sure. Dude, I love pho. Obviously, I'm Vietnamese. And a hot pot stream, totally down for that. That'd be kind of fun. Imagining hot pot at 6:45 in the morning. That would be crazy. Dude, my guts would not be happy with that. For real. Let's see how we react here. We want to see something good here. So we got the entire whatever that thing is called. Cool, cool, cool. Um, yeah, crazy. This is crazy. Just this is insanity. Okay, back to let me move the I want to move the chat to my other screen instead, but it's fine. RVA. Thank you, RVA. I appreciate you. Yeah, happy to be healthier than I was in compared to August for sure. Oh, there it was. RVI closed 180 handles 2 contracts. Insane work, dude. Insane work. Insane work. Like, really insane work. Not even kidding. Like, that's. You crushed it. You crushed it on that one. Alright, I do need to actually make the, I do need to make the giveaway stuff. Um, I want to just keep watching this. This is just crazy work to me. Like, insane work. I'm dead, yes. That is my other account. I plan to have a channel in 2026. I'm so dead. Yes, AS. Oh, that's right. Chan Trades. Yes. I do remember seeing your email then. Yeah, for sure. For sure. Oh, dude, Fasol. No, it ticked you out by, or you got stopped out by one tick, but this was the movie you're looking for? That's insane work. Sorry, my friend. Were you able to find any re-entry to be able to get into your position by any chance? Excuse me. Oh, okay, let's see. Oh, all right. Yeah, happy kids, I feel you. Imagine taking a short from that double top and passing your evals. Oh, that would be the life. Literally, that would have been so great to have participated in the short and like pass all the evals from it. Would have loved that. Would have loved that for sure myself. It sucks that we weren't able to participate, but I guess that comes in the name of trading, unfortunately. Sorry, looking at some stuff here right now. Bear with me, guys. Just kind of vibing. Wow, look at that. Okay, let me check out my other email. Excuse me. Oh my god, my stuff is. There we go. Okay. Alright. You googled Pearl of Africa and there it was. Oh, I'm so dead. Such a simple way of moving. Such a simple decision. I love that for you. Love that for you. I wish I had the guts, the courage to just pull the trigger and just go. But I also, it's too hard. Like, I don't want to be too far away from family. That's why. So, oh, dang, RVI, nice. Took two trades, made 300 more with only one M&Q. Insane work, my friend. Because it's $2 a point. So that means you made 100, that's 150 points. It's crazy. Literally, GG's, GG's. You trade 930 for opening gaps and regular trading hour levels. Ooh, no matter how, no, doesn't matter the handles. Hmm. You target the 4 hour highs and lows, or the hour and the 4 hour. Wow. Hey, dude. Congrats. 4 hour, and then here's the 1 hour low. So are you targeting this one? So if this is regular trading hours, it would be, oh, is this a gap? This is a gap, isn't it? So it would be 831. Would that be like where you're trying to target next, essentially? I didn't even realize there was a gap. Literally did not know there was a gap. That's funny. Excuse me. Yeah, that's crazy, dude. That's crazy. Wow. Price is moving. Price is moving and grooving. Like, imagine just holding this all the way through is so crazy. This is so crazy. I'm sorry, I'm just completely shook as you, like, this is just crazy to me. All right. Um, let me get this Google form. Let me get this created. This is insane work right here. All right, yeah, let's get this giveaway form created and set up so that we could log off stream here. Ozempic on the rocks. This is just crazy. Just 2025. Yeah, this is just crazy. Like, this is just wild. Like, I'm I'm shook. Shook. Like, I didn't even realize, like, first of all, I didn't do enough chart analysis to see that we had a gap, but that's something I think is fair to always check. I just didn't. Um, I didn't. So, this is crazy. Um, but yeah, okay, for real, I need to do this form because I know you guys are also waiting for the giveaway form. Um, I'm so shook right now. You guys see this? Okay. Anyways, Kirk, why not Eastern? Because I'm Pacific Standard Time, so because I do PST, this makes more sense for me. I'm not from the East Coast, and I prefer everything in PST just because that's where I'm at. So, excuse me. Oh, let me mute myself. Okay, cool. Mm, okay, I'm gonna create this form right now. My computer is moving a bit slow, so let me close some things here. Okay, make a copy. Copy of my copy. That's fine. Um, Look at crude oil. I don't. What's crude oil? Like, do you know what the symbol is? Trade Jamesy, how's your morning? Morning was good. Secured some pretty cool profits for today. Was able to follow the plan. Or let me correct myself. Was able to snag a piece of the pie from a part of my plan. Followed the idea of taking longs only, and I took my longs because of market structure. So it was a pretty solid morning, able to capitalize. And I'd say performance-wise, not too shabby. Uh-oh, the gardener is outside doing his thing. Um, I don't know what BPR is. Marked out 1 hour BPR. No idea what that is. Is that PR? PR has to be price. Price range? B. B. Buying price range? Balance price range? I think I've heard of balance price range. Is that what that is? Only scalped since markets seemed like it wanted a small bounce. Sellers be selling. No, for real. Sellers are selling. Giveaway. It's gonna happen. I'm gonna make the form right now. Let me look up CL real quick for if the oh, that's not the right one. If the gardener is too loud, you guys, please let me know so I can go mute. Holy cannoli balls, dude! This is insane work. Like insane work. The market just be moving down. Can you guys let me know in chat if the gardener is too loud, please? Crazy, dude. Crazy. Okay, I've heard of NG before. I've heard of an influencer that trades it, but I don't personally trade it myself. Natural gas futures. We'll do New York Mex. Okay, Garner's fine. Cool. Thank you. I did not trade NG and I don't trade NG, but nice little breakout. Failed to close higher though. Nice, nice. Okay, let me go back to NQ. Dude, yeah, huge red candles is insane. Holy cannoli balls. It's a good line, right? It's the best. I see the most stupidest things sometimes. Y'all should hear me when I speak on a regular basis. I'd be saying some dumb things. I just try to you know, hold myself back a little bit when I'm on the internet. But I'd be seeing some dumb things for real. Excuse me. All right. Let me fix up the let me fix up the rest of my what is this thing called? This form before I get too distracted and then we don't do it. Okay. Okay, let's publish, manage. Okay, so mind you that please enter like your correct first and last name. I've received people in the past giveaways, but they don't do their first and last name and like their actual first and last name. So please do that. Um, And I'm gonna ask for your YouTube name. YouTube username. There we go. Okay. Should be good now at this point. Let me spell out YouTube just in case people get confused about what that is. Okay, yeah. So yeah, guys, again, for everyone that's in the chat, if you are participating, please enter your first and last name when it asks you to in the form. Just because in the past, like I've had people submit different words or something, and I get that maybe you want privacy, but at the same time, I do need it for like the prop firm, and also sometimes prop firms like to confirm like your account to make sure they're putting it in the right account. So if I have your first and last name, all the winners in the past have given me their first and last name, I think, or I've been able to find like a workaround. But this would just make the process a lot more easier and seamless, so then we can get the account faster to you guys. So just make sure you use your first and last name, okay? Okay, here is the form. So feel free to there we go. So at 9, oh, not 9, oh my god, that's way too long. 8:40, 5 minutes from now is when we're gonna close the chat, or closing the form, and then we'll do the duck race. Okay, cool. Dude, this is insane work. Look at this insane work. From 25,300, we've dropped 500 points now. Like, tell me that's not crazy without telling me that's not crazy. Oh my god. I'm so shook right now. I can't be the only one that's shook. Uh-oh. What is going on with my computer? It's like spazzing out right now, guys. Oh my gosh, my computer is spazzing. It's like not even a joke. It's getting really bad right now. Um, okay, let me try to refresh the form. Because it's saying that it's not even live. Are you guys able? Can you guys let me know in chat? Let's see if chat is actually working. Can you guys let me know in chat if the form is working? Because my computer is saying it's not even in public. Okay, I'm gonna read real quick while we do that. Hey, what's up, Pine Tree? Shout out Pine Tree. Appreciate you, my guy. Happy Thursday. Hope you have a good day. Hope you are having a great day. 24724. Interesting. So 100 points from now. Dude, it'd be so crazy if we get down there. Like, seriously, it'd be so crazy to me. If we get down there, RVI, good for you, dude. Good for you. Literally. Kirk Gardner is the lawn guy. No, seriously. Quite literally the lawn guy. Okay, the form is working. Okay, great. Yeah, the gardener is freaking loud as heck out there. Sorry, guys. Okay, good. Yes, I'm glad it is working. I was worried that it's not going to work, so I'm glad to hear that everything is moving smoothly. I don't know why it wants to mess with me right now. It's not fun that it's messing with me, my computer. think I need to start cutting my streams shorter just because my laptop is like not. I have a MacBook, mind you, so I wouldn't think it would overheat like this, but it is. But it is. Okay. Okay, I literally just got a message from YouTube. It's not able to maintain smooth streaming. Okay, great. There's gonna be some buffering. I'm sorry guys for the lag and all that. I don't know why it's giving me problems today out of all days. But it's all good. All right. Mm, I bet there are many shook traders with blown accounts right now. What do you think this is pricing the strong labor market? I don't even know about the new stuff, to be fair with you, like what's going on with that. Um, I don't know what could be moving the market. It has to be something news related. Otherwise, if it's because price moves based off like a lot of factors. So yeah, I'm not sure about the labor market numbers. Is it strong? Is it good? Oh, it's 840. Okay, let me close the link now. Let me see if I can even close it. Okay, guys, I'm closing the giveaway form in 3, 2, 1. Turning off. Save. Okay, I gave everyone an extra minute actually, but in any case, yeah, dude, this thing is like lagging. It's no joke right now, for real. Yeah, my thing is lagging. Why are you lagging? Don't lag. Don't lag, okay? Don't do that. Don't do that. This is not fun dealing with this right now. I'm sorry, guys. Thank you so much for your patience. I am struggling right now. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, there goes the gardener. Let me mute myself. Hi guys, I'm back. The gardener, I think, is done. Okay, I just checked my Wi-Fi services, perfectly fine. I think it's just because I have everything running on my laptop, so that's why it's lagging. I thought it was my internet at first, but it's quite literally just because I have all the things running. So sorry for the delay. Literally, I just closed a bunch of my stuff down, and I got the message from YouTube that stream is healthy now. So thank you for your patience. Literally, thank you for your patience. I really appreciate it. That was just crazy. I don't even know, dude. Like my screen in itself was it was like glitching back and forth a little bit, and then my OBS was showing that things were going in and out, in and out. Um, I don't know, but everything's good. And then the form is showing that it's closed officially, which is great. Like I closed it at 8:41, so I gave everyone an extra 1 minute. So now I'm gonna try to move it to a sheet so that I can get all of your names and stuff. Gotta make sure there's no duplicates either. But okay, let me see what you guys are saying. Um, yeah, honestly, I don't know what the heck was going on my laptop, but my friends are like trying to convince me to get a PC tower just so I can game with them on Steam, even though I play PS5. But maybe I might have to consider it because my Mac is just not holding up right now. So, anyways, okay. Oh my God, Trades by Now, welcome in. I haven't seen you in forever. Happy Thursday. What the heck? It's good to see you. Oh my gosh, it's good to see you. Simo, Apex doesn't work in Morocco. I'm sorry about that. I will say that more giveaways are to come, not just with Apex though. So hopefully the other firms that I'm going to be working with and buying accounts from for you guys, they do work in your country at that time. Dude, just ain't right. What's going on with NQ for real? It is crazy. It's acting crazy right now. Oh my God, dude, you guys, Asian Hustle, bro. I have seen so many of your videos before. Asian to Asian, what's up? What's poppin', dude? Congrats on like your consistency with your YouTube, and more importantly, like I think being able to build your Etsy store while doing the whole trading stuff too. And I remember like one of my last videos I remember watching was when you were like building consistency with your strategy. I don't remember when this was. But it's great to freaking see you. Oh my God, I feel like I have Pine Tree in here. I have Asian Hustle in here. Two freaking huge content creators. Like, this is so cool. This is so cool. Nice, RV. I hope you're able to lock in your profits there, dude. It went freaking low to that candle low, right? Was it that candle low? Was it the 1 hour candle body low? Or was it the 4 hour? I can't remember which one it was. Or it was the gap fill. It was the gap fill, right? Right? I think it was the gap fill. Let me check. Okay. Okay, sweet. The sheets are here. Yeah, yeah, the full gap fill. Crazy, dude. Look at that, you guys. As I said earlier, holy cannoli balls. Holy cannoli balls. Okay, go back to electronic. Okay, check the sheet. Make sure we have no duplicates. Thank you, everyone so far that has put their first and last name. This is great. This is perfect. Um, okay, so there's only one person. I could say their your YouTube username, but they didn't give me best contact email or first and last name, so I will have to take this one person off. So, sorry to this person, but yeah, I will have to take you off. Okay. Um, I will put the person's name in the chat, and if this person is in here, I'll let you guys decide if if this person responds, I'll let you guys decide if you guys are okay with me still adding him in, and then he gives me his first and last name here. Like I have Sunday as potentially the first or the last name, so I'll let you guys, or I'll wait for Jace to respond in the next minute. If not, then I'm just gonna keep it rolling because I know a lot of you guys just want to do the duck race already. So Okay, so far this person's not responding. So all right. Well, I guess we'll just run without this person. So I am going to be using the YouTube usernames, so then it's easier to be able to find you in the chat. But we actually did not get a lot. Okay, okay. Jace is here. Okay, so guys, so Jace is here, but Jace only gave me. I'm gonna let you guys decide. Start a poll. Because although Jace did submit in the poll act or in the thing, but he just didn't follow clearly about what I was asking for, which is it happens. Um, but I'm gonna I like to be fair to the people, and I like to let you guys. Oh, guys, Jace didn't win. He did not win. Jace did not win. This is just to let him in the giveaway because his information on the form is wrong, or like incomplete. It's incomplete. So I like to be. You guys know me. I've done this in the past. I like to be fair with the giveaways. If we let people in or not, and I let the people vote. I don't make the decision because that's how like I keep it fair in my opinion. So if we get like 10 people to vote, then we'll go from there. Come on. I don't know if you guys can see I'm lagging. I click it isn't open. Okay, so yes, more people are saying to let him in. Okay, sounds good. Let me end the poll. Okay, Jace. So Jace, I need your like. Okay, can you confirm, Jace, the email that you used um, to submit the form, is that the best contact email for you? Please say yes or no. This is the only way to make it fair, I think. Okay, sounds good. Okay, so Jace, if you win, then I will contact you with the email you gave me, and I'm assuming that in your email, that's your first name for the first part of your email. So, if anything, we could always confirm it in the email if you do end up winning. I mean, I should have just started off with that, saying if you win, then we'll, you know. Okay, so let's do it. Let me bring the duck race over. It's not that many participants, surprisingly. Like, this is so surprising to me. Just, I think people don't really want to do it anymore. Or like wait for the giveaway link to be posted. That's why, which is fine. Okay, so here's the duck race. Let me, you know what it is too? So my trade copier is off, but I don't have it like I didn't quit the application. So I'm gonna quit the application. We're gonna quit it and see if that also helps. I'd imagine that this would help me. So let's see. Okay, so names, edit list. Oh my gosh, why does it look that crazy? You guys see my struggle? Oh my gosh. Let me just reload it. Struggling so bad just to load things up. Oh my goodness, dude. I wasn't kidding when I said that I was lagging. Let me just close this too. Let me see if that helps as well. I'm just closing everything at this point. I should have. This is the only thing that's pretty much open besides the spreadsheet and OBS, and then obviously my YouTube studio. Okay. Okay, here we go. Let's see if it works. Please, please, please. Yes. Okay. 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 Oh, oh, my bad. Okay. So I have all the names here. So we've only had 34 people that are participating. I don't know why there's @ signs in front of their thing, but uh-oh, I messed that up. Let me not do that. Let me just leave it as is. Okay, so we have everyone in here. 34 people were able to enter within the 5 minute window I had the giveaway form open for. I think moving forward, I might have to do a bigger window, maybe while I'm trading, and then, pick the winners later so there's enough time for people to enter. Because I think I've noticed when I keep the windows so short, only so many people can enter. But yeah, okay, here we go. How much time should we do? What do you guys think? I know you guys like 2 minutes. Do 30 seconds. Let you guys pick. Oh my god, I'm lagging again, dude. Is my internet out, dude? Or like, I'm gonna check I'm checking my internet app again. Okay, let's get 10 votes. Okay, 10 votes. So 1 minute. People are saying 1 minute. Sounds good. Let's do it. 10 votes. Where did it go? There it is. 16 votes. Yep, 1 minute. All right, 1 minute it is. Let's pray that this doesn't freaking crash on me. I'm gonna check my internet thing at the same time. 1 minute. We'll set it. Maybe can I close these little... Okay, I have nothing else open, right? I don't want it to lag. Okay, I think it should be fine. Alright, guys. Here we go. Oh, man, don't lag on me. Shuffle, shuffle. Oh. Dude, looking back at this live stream in the future, this is going to be so embarrassing. Just like this incredible lag that we're having. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh, okay. Alright. Okay. This sucks. This sucks so bad. Before I start it, I'm gonna see if I can adjust my stream latency is normal. I can't adjust it anything on here, even if I wanted to. I don't know how to either. Yeah, guys. We're just gonna have to work with this. Okay. Here we go. We're just gonna run with it, guys. I'm so sorry. This sucks. It's moving, but it's just lagging. Oh my god. I don't know if you guys can see it, like... On my YouTube stream, it literally is showing that I'm buffering. I'm so sorry, guys. It is what it is. No, seriously. Oh my god, Vijay, this is about to be the glitchiest duck race of all time. Is so freaking valid. Alright, guys, we got like 15 seconds. It says, here we go. Who's gonna take it home? Who's gonna take this W home? Oh my gosh. Let me check my freaking... Oh, 2 seconds. This is 2 seconds too long. I don't know who's winning. I have no idea who's winning. The winner. Okay. Sorry. That was so funny. Milmer Flores 6481. Congratulations on winning the giveaway. Alright, that's the first one. We have our first winner. We have 2 winners for today, and our second winner, because I don't think we should go through the pain of doing 2 duck races. So Milmer Flores and Carthio. I think that's Carthio. Yeah, it's KA. I'm too scared to move it. so I'm not going to move anything. We're just going to leave it alone before I mess it all up. Let me make sure I have Carthio in here. I need Carthio's username. Okay, yes, I do have Carthio on the spreadsheet. Carthio, are you in the chat? Oh no, it's frozen. My chat is not moving. Oh my god, dude. Oh my gosh, this is so crazy, dude. I'm gonna go on my YouTube live stream right now because I'm not seeing the chat move. My chat is not moving. Turned off my heater. I don't think my heater is affecting my Wi-Fi, but let me go on to the stream because apparently my freaking thing doesn't want to work. Okay, so, and now my laptop is showing that it's moving. Why did I not see it myself? Am I like zoning out or something? Okay, well, I'm just gonna keep it on my phone just in case because everything's broken. So, I'm dead, Kirk. Rigged. My duck is low. Congrats. That duck woke. No, seriously, like it would quack and then it wouldn't move, and then it would quack and then it would not move. So, okay, first winner is Milmer. So, Milmer Flores, are you in the chat? Milmer. Yes, okay, I see you, Milmer. You won. So, let me mark your account. I see you also gave me your X profile. So, I will send you a DM on Twitter, okay, or on X. At the end of the stream, as soon as my laptop chills out. Promise. So, yeah, Milmer, congratulations. And then Carthio was the second winner. Let's see if Carthio is in the chat. Um, okay, I don't see Carthio in the chat at all. So, we will go ahead and move on to the next winner because Carthio had like at least a couple minutes to be able to say something, I'd imagine. So, yeah, okay. I see you responding, Milmer. That means my audio is all caught up. Can I move this? Oh, shoot. Come on. Yeah, so Carthia was the second. So, yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and pick another winner. What do you guys think? Should we just use the third person on? I think it's easier to just do the third person because, quite frankly, I don't think I can run another duck race without my laptop dying, without you guys like freaking out as well as I am freaking out. So, yeah, guys. Yeah, so there's no, so we have Carthio and we have, oh shoot. Yeah, there's no Carthio. My bad. Okay, so I'm gonna ask you guys in the chat. I'm gonna make a poll. Cause this thing is broken, dude. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, even me typing is lagging. Oops. But this time I'm gonna do 30 seconds because I don't want to deal with this craziness. Well, let me write it. actually we won't because I don't think it's fair. This person had a lot of time to be able to be. Oh, okay. All right. I don't know what happened here. I can't even remove it even if I wanted to. Oh my goodness. What is going on? Not applicable. Sorry guys. I don't know why it pulled up another. It's either the first one or the second one. Okay. Oh, where did the poll go? Oh my god. Okay, there's the poll. I didn't see it on my screen, and I still don't even see it on my phone. I don't know how you guys are able to vote. I don't even see it myself on the poll. I don't know. Okay. Milmer, your ex is this? Okay, let me let me take a screenshot. I got or Flores is Flores is your first name. So, Flores, I'll go ahead and send you a DM then um after this is all over because you can see I'm struggling right now. Okay, and then RBI, I'm dead. Can I get it? I mean, after your win today, I feel like you don't need any more free accounts. You probably got $10,000 in profits now. Just kidding. Chase, running for 30 seconds. Your laptop won't die. I'm dead. Swag spam running up again. Okay, so let's see. I can't even click on this thing. If you guys want it again, we can run it again, but y'all have to bear with me. This is going to take like 30 minutes just to do it. Come on, laptop. You can do it. Come on. Come on, open up. Why isn't it opening? Nothing is loading. Alright, you guys, I can't even open the poll. Okay, let me close this out. Let me go here. This is tough. Alright, y'all, I don't know if you guys want to continue to stick around. I might have to just I can run the duck race separately, like on my own, when my laptop like cools down or something, because I think this is low key getting out of not getting out of hand, but it really is kind of inconvenient for everyone. Oh, okay. So my YouTube studio loaded. Um, More people are voting for a duck race again. Some people are saying pick third on the leaderboard. I think oh, come on. Yeah, all right. Okay, so we know Milmer was okay, this is now highlighting stuff, which is good news. So I'm gonna go ahead and refresh this. Let's see if that works. And then I'll add everyone in except for Milmer. You got this, duck race. Oh my gosh, 50 seconds. I mean, 50%. Oh my goodness. I feel so bad. And I also feel kind of embarrassed. Like, I don't know why this is happening today. Dude, I'm gonna have to clip the screen of the ducks just freaking teleporting across the map. At the time just breaking down. Okay. Let me refresh also this page. Just refresh everything. Oh my gosh. 64%. 64%. Bro, you're playing with me right now, bro. Like, this is actually playing with me. Excuse me. Alright, guys, I think I'm gonna go ahead and call this stream. I don't know if you can even hear me like in real time or even with the 15-second delay, but I think the best thing that I could do at this point is if you guys are willing to rate, then great, but otherwise, I think maybe I should just do it on my free time after and I'll just announce the winner and contact the winner after just because I don't want to keep putting you guys through this and it's just, yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Milmer Flores has won the first Apex account, so I'll DM you, Milmer, for sure, no matter what. And oh my god, this is ridiculous. And then the second winner, I will run it, and I could do either a short. I probably won't do a short. I'm just gonna run it, and then I'll post the winner and then tag the winner. So yeah, if everyone's cool with that, I'm cool with that because it's stuck here now. It took like 2 minutes just to get to 29% loaded when normally it doesn't take this long. Oh, okay. Okay. If it loads within the next few minutes of me kind of like talking, then I'll run it. But if it doesn't, then I'm going to call it because this is freaking ridiculous. But today was a pretty cool overall session. I want to document so I can recap on my trading day. So give us a few more minutes while we wait for this to freaking initialize. But today was an overall pretty good trading day, I'd say. First trade taken was supposed to be on stream, but it was on private, unfortunately, so you guys couldn't see. But it was a quick momentum scalp. And then first trade actually on stream that you can see was based off of higher lows, higher highs, market structure, just taking it to the upside because our 15-minute demand was holding after a tap and a close, bullish close over it, and we're still holding the momentum squeeze of the 15 pushing higher. So we were to take that position as well. It was like a little over a 1-to-1, so that was cool. And then I'm hoping this loads by the time I'm done talking. And then the third trade that I took on stream was a quick base hit scalp for my Apex accounts as well. And um, oh, there it goes. I'm really trying to lag on speaking. The third trade that we took on stream together as well was a base hit. Again, just looking for the long 10 points. It was a very, very quick one. It was 10.25 points or 10 points, something like that. But a quick one as well, just because with Apex, since it's intraday, I don't want to risk having to hold a position for too long and have it go against me. So at the end of it all, though, the 15-minute 1-to-1 setup did in fact hit. It hit 302 and some change. So if anyone did hold it the whole entire time, even with some of that heat, congratulations. I did take individual trades that I didn't want to talk about on stream, just because it was individual trades on accounts after. Don't feel like talking about it just because I didn't talk about it on stream when I took them, so that's fine. But trades that we did take together, all green, so I'm very thankful. Passed the take profit accounts together on stream today too, which is really exciting, and gonna convert them into funded. So yeah, looking forward to that. This is loading. This is loading. Let's go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I think when I didn't touch anything and I just let it load, I'm touching my laptop right now. Like it's not hot anymore. Oh my goodness, guys. Yo, that's a dub. Okay, let me grab the names now real quick. And then don't jinx it. I think I jinxed it. Nope, we're good. We're good. We're good. Okay, and then we are taking out Milmer. So it will be 33 names that are going in here, okay? Perfect. 33 names, okay? So I'll scroll really quickly up here. It's not lagging. You guys can see that Milmer is not in there. So, done. Oh no, it is frozen again. Oh, okay. Let me not touch it. Let me not touch it. My laptop's getting hot. So let me not move anything. Leave it alone. I'll read. So my chat is on the screen now, but it's only obviously what I can see. So I'm just going to talk from where I can see because I'm scared about touching anything and having it lag. Oh no, it's showing that it's not loading. Okay. Um, Ozempic, overheating, or thermal throttling. I have no idea what that is. But my laptop at this point is overheating a bit. I think because I had too many applications running, live streaming, my trade copier, all of my platforms, the YouTube studio that manages the stream, my OBS. So, yeah, a lot of different moving parts, and it's not working well right now. So, yeah, but I will pay attention if it does start to reoccur more often. What's up? What's up, Van? L Van. Um, Yeah, seriously, Milmer, good point. I'm glad it didn't lag during the beginning part of the stream where I was trading. So overall, I'd say like trading performance was pretty decent. Always room for improvement though. I could have been slightly more patient on the first ever trade I took on the stream, just for it to come back into the entry of that 15 minutes setup. But um, even with the drawdown that was faced, it was still a 1-to-1, which is my average and what I'm comfortable with taking. So there's a lesson to be learned there. And then I will say also, the area of strength for today was being able to maintain my emotions very steady all the way through and knowing when to stop. So that's a huge win, I think, in my book. So that's my trading day in a nutshell. Green across the board and passed some take profit accounts, so now I will be funded with them. It's been a while since I've been funded with TPT, to be honest. I haven't been actively trading with them that much, so I'm excited to be back. I took all of September off. I think it was September and October off of TPT, or like half of September. I have to check my dates, but for sure October I was off, and now I'm back for November. So okay, dude, shooting shorts. Oh my god, what's up, Christina? Oh wait, that's not Christina. No, that is Christina. No, no, that's not Christina. That's not Christina. I thought that was Christina. Shooting shorts from Instagram. Dude, hi, happy Thursday. It's so cool to see you in here. It is definitely rigged because you're not in the race. I'm sorry. Okay. All right, let's go ahead and run it. We are going to do it for 30. You know what? I'm too scared to change the timer. I am too scared to change it. Oh my gosh. Okay, okay. Clear. My laptop cooled down a little bit. It's when I don't touch anything, is when it's good. Okay, okay, okay. I'm literally clicking and then touching my laptop every single moment. Oh my god, we're okay. Nope, nope, we're frozen. Okay, I'm not gonna touch my laptop for like 10 more seconds, so we can make sure we get a smooth duck race. You guys are trolls, bro. Not the. I remember playing PS1 just by looking at the duck race. I'm freaking dead. That was a good one, Milmer. I'm glad you won today. I'm dead. I think I saw someone earlier say YouTube confirmed this is the longest duck giveaway, duck race, whatever ever, and I also agree with that. Okay, okay, we're moving, we're moving. I'm gonna start it. I'm gonna start it. We're gonna start it. Oh my god, please move. Oh, it's working, guys. Okay, here we go. Who's gonna take this home? Who's gonna take? Oh, oh. Let me not talk. I think I'm gonna jinx it. Don't touch anything. Don't talk. Oh, oh my gosh! Come on, 5. Oh, there we go. Our winner is Iman plays. Emin plays. Congratulations on winning the second Apex account giveaway. Are you in the chat? Emin plays. Oh, Emin literally just left. Emin literally just left. Okay, chat. I'm gonna let you make the decision. You guys are making the decision. Do we give the account to Emin, even though Emin left already? Like right before, like this person knowing that this person was gonna win, they left. So y'all let me know what we thinking. Up was, oh, I'm sorry that we weren't able to get you in this time. Next time I'll do a bigger window for people to enter. Thanks, Kirk. I appreciate you. Yeah, today was pretty cool. Today was pretty cool. Um, you guys are funny. If I kill a duck with a winner, be the next duck. I wonder why. Okay, let's see. That's valid. You know, it's always been that way. Must be present to win. The only time we've given an account away for someone that wasn't present was to Kirk, because Kirk was always showing up in all the streams and being super consistent with engaging too. So, ooh, okay, I kind of like that idea. Winner is the last one. Maybe not on the stream, but on the leaderboard. So last duck is best duck. So, how to pick winner. So I think just to make it very easy at this point, because this is the longest giveaway of everyone's entire life, and if my poll could work, please. Okay. Oh my god. Dude, we ended the giveaway at 8:41. It's 9:23. Like, bro, be for real. Be for real. Be for real. Okay, I'm just gonna let you guys pick, and we're just gonna run with that one because honestly, yeah, I feel so bad. It's been a 40-minute duck race. It's a 40-minute duck race. I'm dead. Just grenade. Just give it to me for real. I take care of it. Yeah, swags. Literally, the giveaway won't end. I think, like, this is crazy. This is crazy. All right. I'll let you guys vote. 1 frame per year. No, you're being for real. That's so true. Oh my god, this is probably the funniest giveaway I've ever been a part of. I'm not even capping. And it's not even because it's my own stream, but it's just a simple fact that we were freaking teleporting across the pond. Also, again, I just want to say shout out to Pine Tree and also Asian Hustle and Shooting Shorts for popping into the stream today. Three big influencers, content creators in the space, whether it's YouTube or it's Instagram. Super, super grateful for the love from other people in the space. And obviously, shout out to the amazing community that even popped up out here. I really appreciate y'all. Oh, shoot, guys. Emin was here the whole time. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. All right, let's just disregard. We're going to end this poll. You know what? Actually, because we have made the decision collectively and voted, I would do Emin as a giveaway. So second winner is Emin. Congrats, Emin plays. I believe I have your thing here. Let me just double check before you go. Please don't lag. Please, please, please. Yes. Okay. Oh, so Emmanuel. Okay, Emmanuel, I have your email here. You said to contact you via email. It's the iCloud email. So I will send you an email with your code once stream is over and once my laptop stops lagging. So it might be at least an hour just so I can make sure my laptop stops freaking bugging out. But yeah, I'll send you an email. I'm going to DM Milmer. And because chat had voted already on stream together, um, I would go ahead and pick the last place duck for a third winner. So, three winners today. So, let's go ahead and see if I can do that. Okay, perfect. So, ALF, because I'm not going to freaking risk it. ALF. Okay, Alfwell1. Alfwell1. Are you in the chat? Let me copy the username. If Alfwell1 is not in the chat, then I will not do the third giveaway. And I could save that account for y'all next time. You know what I'm saying? So, what the helly? No, seriously, Emmanuel, it's so crazy. I'm so glad that you were able to pop back onto your phone. Thankfully, this lag is happening because if this lag wasn't happening, it'd be so much easier to just be able to move on and like be able to get the winners quickly. But I feel bad for like if people were chosen and they're not here, but that's because it's a 40-minute freaking giveaway. Um, hey Richard. Honor, I thought I killed you. Choose the one just before him. I'm dead. You're funny, Pop. Don't don't see second first. Okay, yeah. Alfwell is not here. Sounds good. Okay, so Alfwell will not be getting the account, and instead of doing a third giveaway, I'm gonna go ahead and move that same one to the next time, just cause gotta make it a like I just wanted to keep it fair because we voted on this, but because this person's not here, it is completely this is done. Um, that's that trading view. Or actually, we don't need to do that. We'll just leave it on the duck race so you guys know that we did the duck race. So, all right, guys. Yeah, you're good to go, Emmanuel. Thank you so much for popping to the chat. But congrats again to Milmer and Emmanuel for winning the two accounts. Don't worry, y'all. When I say I have giveaways, I have a crap load of giveaways I'll be doing, and I'm excited for it. If you guys aren't already following me on Twitter, by the way, I say if you want to enter some giveaways too, you can just go follow me over there. That's also free. So yeah, I just post randomly on Twitter, but I will be doing giveaways on there, especially throughout like this next month and 2 months, or November, December, and obviously on YouTube, like I said, next week, Tuesday, I will be back on live stream, and then I will take a look to see if Wednesday is an optimal time to do another live stream. Otherwise, I might not. We'll see. But I'm super grateful for every single person that popped in today. I love to chat with y'all. You guys know I love to yap. I love to get to know you guys. I love to build our relationships, and it makes trading more exciting. So thank you guys. Winners, I will send you an email slash DM as soon as everything calms down on my end with my laptop. But I hope to see you all next Tuesday in the next stream. As always, I wish you nothing but the best and the most success in all that you do. And I will see you all in the next video and or the next live stream. Thank you for being here with me. Thank you also, Grenade. Thank you, Honor. Thank you, Don't C6P. Appreciate y'all for real. Appreciate y'all. Have a great weekend. Have a great Friday. I miss you guys already. Yes, I was able to trade. We took 2 trades on stream, but it should have been 3. Wait, 2 trades or 3 trades? Either 2 or 3 trades on stream, but it should have been either 3 or 4. Um, so yeah. Thank you guys. Thank you, Kyle. Swag fam, thank you so much. It was really fun. Thank you. Elmi, peace. Wendy J, I'll see you later. Oh, thanks for coming in, Wendy. Appreciate you, girl. Haven't seen Wendy in a minute. It's nice to see her. It's good to see nice faces. M, oh, thanks, M. Have a good weekend. Sorry you couldn't see your duck on the screen. It's probably teleporting still somewhere on the screen, let's be honest. But yeah, guys, have a great weekend. Okay, let's put this little thing here. All right, take that. Cool. Yeah, girl, make that TikTok lunch. Let me know how it tastes next time you pop into the stream, okay? I actually really want to know. I want to know what you made too. Love you guys. Love you guys. See you guys later. Vijay streaming Tuesdays and Thursdays, except next week it'll be Tuesday, maybe Wednesday. I'll keep you guys posted about the schedule for next week, but for sure on Tuesday. Thank you, thank you, thank you.